Hey everyone, welcome to Toys Freak and I'm back to another new video guys. Look here, a wood made road and here's I drive some toy vehicles. Look guys, here's some muddy toy vehicles, all are totally dirty and muddy. Now I drive these vehicles. So guys, let's start. A motorbike. Oh. So next one, guys, look, it's a car. Awesome. Wow. Then the next one, a air vehicle, airplane. Whoa, ho, ho. And then another car guys. Wow, beautiful. Just look. Wow. And then a racing car maybe. Look. Ooh. Yes. Wow. Then a crane truck. Yes. You know it's a crane truck. Guys, I clean all the toy and introduce with you. Whoa! It crashed. Guys, then a Deshi vehicle. Wow. Just look. Whoa. Then guys, another car. All the toys are totally dirty and muddy and I drive these toys by hand. Look. Wow. A bus vehicle, guys. Oh. Yes. So, guys, I collect all the toy and then clean all the toy and introduce with you. So guys, look, all the toys are here. And now I clean all the toy. First, I pick the crane truck. Whoa. Wow. It's almost clean. Guys, a beautiful crane truck. Look. This is the flexible part, crane part. Awesome, really awesome. I put it here and then look guys. Wow. This is the airplane. Oh, it's totally dirty guys. This is a part which is unattached now. I attach this one right now. So a beautiful airplane and this is the crane truck. Then guys, pick the next vehicle. Oh, motor vehicle, motorbike. Awesome sports motorbike. Look at that color. Awesome, really awesome motorbike. I put it here. Then guys, wow. Whoa, look, a big vehicle, big one. Deshi vehicle, rickshaw, a toy rickshaw, colorful toy rickshaw, beautiful. I think you like this vehicle, foot controlled vehicle. It's a toy rickshaw. I put it here, then pick the next one and clean the next vehicle. Wow, a super city bus, red color, beautiful super city bus. It's just awesome, really awesome. Then guys, wow, wow. Okay guys, it's also too much dirty. Guys, look. A beautiful police car, really beautiful toy police car. Just look, it's really great, awesome vehicle, awesome. I put it here, and guys, oh wow, think it's another police car. Wow, it's a funny police car, guys. Really funny. Funny toy police car. I put it also here. And then, guys, whoa, wow, a big vehicle. Oh, it's really big. I clean all the toy vehicle properly after shoot the video. I just introduce all the toy with you right now. So it's a toy racing car. Beautiful, awesome. Look at that back. Awesome. Toy racing car. And guys, where is my next vehicle? Oh, this is another vehicle. A toy police car, another police car. It's also awesome, guys, really awesome. Beautiful. So guys, maybe no more vehicles are in this place. This is the all toy. All are colorful and beautiful. A racing car, police car, air vehicle, toy airplane, train truck, motorbike, toy rickshaw, toy city bus, another police car, and this is another police car. So guys, if you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.